Hi everyone and welcome to Beautiful Within. So the embellishment box has just now arrived and I will be opening it in front of you and showing you what I got. And before you ask me when is the Lady Raga review coming up, I've not received the bag yet. So as soon as I receive the bag, the review will be coming up. So just some TMI. And this time as you can see, embellishment box has sent a pink colored box to this time with a pink colored ribbon. So I'll show you what we have got. So there's this card which is always there with embellishment box. This time they have sent, it's the summer sundown edition, jewelry that takes you from day to night. So this time they have sent a card also along with it which says it's the summer sundown edition. Okay, cool. So the first thing that I've got are these earrings. I will actually open them and show you as they give it in small plastics. These are the earrings. They're extremely pretty. Thankfully, I was looking for something like this, like some pure gold chain kind of an earrings. These days I'm getting a lot of fringe earrings and thankfully I love them. So this is the first piece and I'm absolutely in love with it. So this is the first piece. The second piece that they have sent is a handcuff. Of course, we all keep on getting handcuffs these days with like most of the jewelry bags or the lifestyle subscription bags. Handcuffs are pretty in these days. But thankfully I don't have a design like this. So this is the handcuff. It's a leaf kind of a design and it's asymmetrical. So if I wear and show you, it's of a very good quality. So this is the kind of handcuff which is there, and I'll be wearing it for the rest of the video. The next two things are two necklaces basically. So they've sent me two necklaces, one earrings and one bracelet or handcuff as we can call it. The first bracelet is a very nice dainty pearl chain which is a little entangled. Yeah, okay, it's quite entangled, but this is the kind of double stringed pearls that you can see. As you can see, the pearls are of a very good finish. I actually have something similar to this in silver, but this is a gold one. This is the kind of thing, the lock that it has, clasp. It's a very pretty long chain kind of a thing. I'm very happy to receive this. And the fourth let's say necklace, which is the star of the show actually, is this pretty pink fringe necklace. And like just look at the set that they have created. Such a pretty set that they have created. It's really pretty. I mean, I can't really put more emphasis to it. It's pink, it has stone, and then it has gold and pink tassels. It's looking superb. This is the kind of way it's looking from the near, and this is how it looks from the from far. Looking very pretty. I mean, I'm so happy. Like when I saw this time's embellishment box, I was like speechless. I just love all four of the pieces, including this handcuff. Though I have like tons of handcuffs, I love the leafy design that it has. So embellishment box is a fashion jewelry subscription service which retails for INR 1200, rupees 1200 for a month. Of course, you subscribe for a high duration and get discounts. So I'll link down their site below. Please do subscribe for this month's like bag, because I've never said it before, but this time, like look at the pieces. They're so pretty. I'm literally speechless. But I love this month's embellishment box. Kudos to them. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Bye.